Data structure in Java continued. Well, coming up is a helping code. This is not one of the primary codes. This is a helping code in which I am going to give more, throw light on what is address of a node. Okay, as a student earlier days and not being one of the highly brilliant ones, I remember, oh my God, what a harassment this address was. And now, therefore, I have come up with something that will help some of us to understand what is meant by address of a node in a linked list. Okay, this is the same code of display which was in the previous video. These videos are in sequence. Okay. Now in the previous video, display was just printing the data and it was going on by printing the data. Now here in this one, I am going to put light on what is PRN, what is PRN's data and what is PRN's next, what are they holding and how is PRN equal to PRN next moving over to the next address. What is meant by internal value of an address? Well, so let me show you where the theoretical place was. Alright, so this is that theoretical part, this diagram I want to focus. Here is that where this internal address thing was explained. This is internal, this is internal. New is allocating memory, internal. Well, this internal thing, why can't I make the program show me? Let me try to get the output from this internal address. Alright, so coming up, I'll try my best to show you this along with the program. Alright. So this was the program wherein I am printing not only the data, this was the data, not only the data, I'm also printing what PRN is because so many times I have told you PRN is an address of the current data, current node. And PRN.next also I have said that it is the address of the next node. So let me now run this program in front of you. When I will run this program with the help of this object and you can see this, I'm going to make a queue once again. So this main is now going to, well, this is the repetition of the output, but this time you will get to see something different from the last round of output. So first data is 101. I want to enter the next data is 202. Yes, I want to enter more data, which will be 303. And yes, I want to enter more data, which is 404. And I want to enter more data, 505. Well, I don't want to enter any more data. I'm expecting a queue. That means I will get to see 100, 100, 200, 300, 405 printed via the linked list. And additionally, I will also get to see the PRN, means the addresses. Here goes in the okay, now for you to tell me, does this make any sense to you? I'm trying my level best to show you as much as I can on the screen. You can see that, I hope, right? So, can you see PRN is an internal value? This node at is the reference. It is like, Java is very user friendly. It wants to be as much flexible, as much giver as possible. PRN.data is the data which I entered, which is an integer. It I have entered from outside, but I cannot enter this from outside. This came when I allocated the new node, and this was internally allocated and assigned. So this assignment in the next is becoming the next variables, next PRN's value. Now it's your turn to pause the video, look at the screen with super concentration, hoping that it will be of some help to you. Okay?